Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making lunch for my family. I'm going to be making pop-off, fish and jollof rice. I already have a recipe for pop-off, but this is an updated method. If you haven't seen it, I will leave the link of the video in the description box below. Please try and check it out. Keep watching and don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button. Let's start cooking. The exact measurement and the list of the ingredients will be in the description box below. We are going to be sifting the flour. In case there's any lump or anything in the flour like dirt or anything, you can easily take it out. Going to be adding nutmeg and salt. This recipe I'll be using just nutmeg and salt and warm water. I won't be adding sugar or milk or any other ingredients. I'm going to be mixing all the ingredients together with warm water so that it will be well incorporated. As you can see, I'm using a mixer to mix all the ingredients together, but you can as well use your hand or use a wooden spoon to mix everything together until it is smooth. I'll be adding more warm water to it because it's a bit too thick. After mixing all the ingredients together and it's really smooth, you cover it with a foil paper or a cling film and cover it with a napkin as well. Put it in the oven or anywhere really warm and keep it there for a couple of hours before you start frying the pop-off. Don't forget to use medium heat when you're frying your pop-off, because if you use high heat, the pop-off will be burning and it won't come out nice. As you can see, I'm flipping the pop-off over so that it can cook very well, because if you don't do this, it might not be properly cooked. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And don't be selfish. Share with your friends and your family so that they can subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.